What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today got the 2013 Audi A6, and as you guys can see, this has a plain light on the floor right now. And what I want to do is replace the light under here so it could shine the Audi down on the floor. All right, so I'll start working that right now. All right, so first thing, I got the pick tool kit, which is right here, and I'm going to get this one right here that seems to be the one that I'll need. All right, so first thing I'll do is just pop the door back open, sit that out there for a second, and then I will just get under here real fast and do a pick. Perfect. Pulling that out, don't let go of this piece, and then it's just basically doing a quick insert. So I just do a quick insert right here. There it is. All right, so that stays there, and I will get the other light that I'm going to upgrade it with, and then I'll put that in. All right, so now with that there, this is the upgraded one that I'm going to be replacing it with. And it's just about making the transition, about sliding this thing under. Okay, all right, so there it is. I got that installed. It's in place, and if we just shine down on the floor, you can see right there it's saying Audi. All right, so first thing I gotta do is adjust it. Here's the adjusting knob right here. All I gotta do is just basically just move it, the Audi. So that's it. It's only about preference, just basically how you want it to be. There's no right or wrong answers to this one. Okay, so let's see how it looks. That's not bad. I still want it to be adjusted a little bit more so it can actually look a little different. So let's go ahead and turn that some more. And then, yep, there we go. So I close the door and I open the door. Then of course, you can have the Audi sign. You can see the red Audi here. And then of course, right there. All right, cool deal. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll just click that back in right now in place, and then that's it. So when we close the car, and then yep, open the car. Nice. That is beautiful. All right, great, cool. So I'll just go ahead and upgrade all 4 of them and make sure that yeah, this is the nice way to go. But all these lights are under the bottom, and like I said, it's very easy to do. All you need is one of these nice pick tools, and you'll be good to go. And that's how you upgrade these lights. Peace and love. Catch you in the next one.